Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic says, learn the use of Ebubigago. It means have carried over as a verb in sentences. We are going to learn a topic that says Ebubigago, have carried over. Let's start. Igbo English. Number one sentence says, Ego na eze Ebubigago ngwongwo ha niile n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Or say that, class. Ego na eze Ebubigago ngwongwo ha niile n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Meaning, Ego and the eze have carried all their belongings over to the school. Ego and the eze have carried all their belongings over to the school. Number two says, ha ebubigago ha ugbua. Again, class, ha ebubigago ha ugbua. Meaning, they have carried them over now. They have carried them over now. Ha ebubigago ha ugbua. Remember, Ebubigago means have carried over. It is our verb. That is why we underline them, both in Igbo and in English. At times, in English, when you want to use them, you will find out that they are not together. Like you can see here, Ego and the eze have carried all their belongings over to the school. You can see have carried, and you can also see where we wrote over, depending on how we make our statement. So like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.